Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tech Motoring. On today's episode we're going to be showing you how to change out the front wipers, the rear wiper, and the rear wiper arm on a Fiat 500. Let's dive in and show you the process. Alright everybody, welcome back. So Paul here with another episode of Tech Motoring Pit Stop, where we show you how to do some basic maintenance on your car to keep it in tip-top shape. So today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at this 2017 Fiat 500e, and we're going to be changing out the wiper blades and the rear wiper arm as well. And this should be good for Fiats from like 2013 to 2019, regardless if you have the Fiat 500 or the Fiat 500e, and possibly even a couple other of the models as well, since these are pretty generic wiper arm, wiper blades system. And I will also put chapters in this as well, so you can click forward just in case you want to see that particular part. But we're going to start with the front wipers here today, which is a very simple J-hook. Then we'll move to the back. We'll show you how to change out the rear blade, and then we're going to change out the entire rear wiper arm assembly, so this way you can see how that goes as well. So let's dive into the front blades and see that process. All right, well, we're going to reshoot this clip because I kind of messed it up the first time. So what you want to do here in order to get this wiper blade off of this wiper arm is you're going to want to just turn this wiper blade in like this. You're going to push the wiper blade in this direction, so it's going to go like this to unlock it from the J-hook. Once you get it most of the way out, you kind of turn your blade back around, get it completely off the hook, and now you put your hook back down like that. Once again, that's why you have your towel there. Once you get your replacement blade here, basically follow suit with the same thing. You're going to line up that J-hook inside of this channel right here. So you're going to just stick it back in like so, bring it back around, and then get that J-hook inside of that channel. It could take a second to line it up here. There we go, like that, and then give it a little bit of a tug out so it locks in. And your wiper has been changed, and just follow suit with the other wiper blade. All right, so you join me now on the back of the Fiat 500e here, and we have our rear wiper arm assembly and our blade attached to that. So this is a pretty simple process as well, and I'll show you that real quick. So the first thing I do is I always take off this. Now you'll have to do this if you're replacing the wiper arm or the wiper blade regardless. So what you're going to do is you're going to peel this back like this. You're going to separate them, and then you're going to peel that back just like so, and that's going to hinge open just like that. And now this gives you the ability to pull this up like so. And so that's what keeps it locked in from, moving up. So once you have it this far, we're going to take our towel like we had before here, and we're just going to try to lay it here as best we can. It's on a bad angle. And we're going to do basically the same process with this wiper. We're going to grab it up at the top. We're going to spin it like this. And as soon as it starts to get caught, what we're going to do is we're just going to help it a little bit from the bottom, and we're going to go a little further. You hear that little snap? Now it falls out, and we just kind of pull it out like that, and we can lay this back on our towel for safety. And there you go. There is your wiper blade. So all you got to do is the opposite to put it back in. We're going to prick this back up. We're going to put it onto that tab right there, like so. We're going to bend it back. Once again, it's going to go past the point of resistance, like that. And there's your wiper blade. Now let's go ahead and swap out the entire arm here, and I'll show you that process. All right, so you join me here at the back of the Fiat 500e, where we're now going to be swapping out the entire wiper arm here on the vehicle. So the first thing I did is I just put a piece of tape here to kind of give me a reference of where the wiper is sitting. There is a little bit of play here, as you can see. It's not perfect, but just kind of where it rests, and I want to make sure that that's kind of where I line the wiper up to when I replace it. So this way we have just a small reference there. We're going to be doing the same process as before as when we changed the wiper blade out. So we pull up and separate these little tabs here, pull this open, let it hinge open, and then we have one bolt here, and this one bolt is a 10 millimeter. So I just put that 10 millimeter here on the small wrench, and all we're going to do is we're going to give it just a little bit of a torque just to get it loose, and it shouldn't take too much. Yep, it wasn't super tight, and make sure you do the same when you put it back on. You're not going to be torquing this down really, really hard. You're just going to make it tight, and this way it doesn't come loose. And so we're going to take that small nut off there, and then we're going to pull this off. And it might take a little bit of pulling, but once you pull it for a little bit, you should see it come off. So there is our wiper arm assembly completely removed from the vehicle now. And you can see that there's, you know, some splines here on this here. So this is all going to kind of just fit right back to where this was. And once again, we're going to line it up with the tape, and we should be all set. So let's get the new wiper assembly, or wiper arm, I should say, get that on the car. All right, so I grabbed the replacement blade and noticed something quite quickly, actually. This is actually a 10-inch blade. The car is supposed to have a 12-inch blade. So I measured them, and as you can see, there is, you know, quite a bit of difference in that blade height there. So I'm still going to put it on the car just for the sake of the video, just to show you how to do it. But make sure when you buy this stuff online, you buy ones that are, you know, the right stuff. Even though the listing showed that this was for a Fiat 500 from 2012 to 2019, and I checked, pretty much all of them use a 12-inch blade. For some reason, they sent me one with a 10-inch blade, which I did measure it, and it doesn't look like it's really going to, you're not going to miss out on too much, because this honestly probably clears more of the window than you need. But at the same time, I mean, kind of ridiculous not to get the right part. But anyway, let's get this on the car here today. And of course, I can always just buy a replacement blade if I need to in the future. So let's go ahead and get this put onto the car here. So we're going to be just putting this onto that bolt there. Make sure we line it up with the tape, even though it comes a little short of that now. Putting the nut here on the end of that. And we're just going to tighten it down, and then once we get it to that point, we're just going to give it a little bit of torque just to make sure that it's tight. We can put this down like so, and now we should have a working wiper blade. So let me jump in the car and make sure it works. All right, everybody, well, there you go. There is swapping out your front wipers, your rear wiper blade, and your wiper arm on your Fiat 500. Of course, the only snafu we ran into was the fact that they sent me a short blade on the arm. Not sure what that was about, but, you know, it is what it is. This will work for now. It clears enough of the back window when I'm driving. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you give it the thumbs up below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Fiat 500e content, and we'll see you on the next Tech Motoring Pit Stop. Thanks again for watching, everybody. We'll see you soon. And remember, welcome to the future. Welcome to Tech Motoring.